all throughout your life you were, someone who's good in studies, good with
Hmm.
marks, right? You'd followed a career path which is uh, well accepted in society, in the Indian
Right, right.
society, with older women, older uncles, relatives,
Hmm.
family, so forth, so forth, right? That they'll be happy. Oh, what do you do? Oh, I'm a finance analyst. Oh, I work in
Right.
EY, or I'm doing an MBA.
Hmm.
These are things which are appreciated, right? So
Right.
what was your journey to talk about this with your parents, with your family, when you told them that you're taking a break, and after the
Hmm.
break when you told them that I am getting into fitness influencing, which is totally different? So
Right, right.
what was this like for you?
Of course, it came as a shock to them, kind of. Now, even now, they are very concerned ki, because Pune is expensive city. Like only my husband is earning, and maybe I'm not earning as far for him, like almost. So yeah, it's tough for parents to explain कि क्या passion follow कर रहे हो, running से कौन से पैसे आने वाले, these kind of, like, of course they are right at some point. Like you have to be like financially independent, which every parents want, but they are not able to see the happiness factor. Like if I'm not able to do a job, means I know myself that I have realized that going back to corporate would be very tough for me, especially now. Like people are very skeptical, especially of women, when they come after break. So they are not very welcoming towards the, especially the female candidates.
Yeah.
So the companies have their own concerns now, that someone is coming after break, and the questions comes like, will you have kids in future? What if you take someone another break? What if you leave us for following some another passion, so we have not accepted that thing, that pe- people can come back after a certain point when they feel that they are ready again to be accepted in the society. So I think this is the whole circle which goes on, like as you mentioned, that of the European students, because they are very secure in their mind that even if they take 1 year break or two year break, they will be accepted. They will have some,
Yeah.
they can come back
Yeah.
and and anytime they want, right? But India, the scenario depends on various things. Even if I'm being accepted in the corporate again, if I get some, but I have to compromise on my pay, my experience, and other things.
Yeah.
So why should I fell into that trap where I'm not being valued just because I took a break for myself?
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah.
That is so true, and I agree. I think it boils down to a lot of companies outside India, not in India, they appreciate candidates who go for different experiences. Even like when
Yeah,
you
right.
apply for the colleges and you write down things like, okay, during this break I traveled to
What
so
I
and
did,
so
yeah.
place, or I did that, or I did that. They
Hmm.
appreciate these experiences, but this is something which lacks in India. People look for your qualifications, your work
Right. Hmm.
experience and things like that. So I agree. And again, I totally agree with your stand view also. Like, why should you go for a job where you're not
Right.
valued when you can do a job where, albeit there is a curve, of course, creating
Hmm.
content online, I can
Hmm.
understand it'll take you a lot of time to build a kind of status where you are making the kind of income which you did as an employee in EY or Deloitte and big companies. But again, you don't have to compromise on your self-worth and your own value
Right.
at the same
Hmm.
time.